their parents have, of people with disabilities who've been the victims of crimes.
The world is saying its final goodbyes to Pope Francis.
We got to see the Pope, and he looked very tranquil and peaceful.
In the Kaleidoscope with Allison Keyes segment, a nonprofit warns about the increase of dangerous air pollution in the nation.
The burden of living with unhealthy air is not equally shared.
I'm Allison Keyes in Washington. The Justice Department this week suddenly canceled hundreds of millions in grants to community organizations, including
the country, which helped